Hey everyone, welcome to your channel name. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a personal hotspot on your phone with data limits to control data usage and avoid extra charges. This is super useful if you need to share your data with other devices or friends, but don't want to go over your data cap. If this sounds helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. First, let's activate the hotspot. Depending on your phone, here's how you can do it. On iPhone, head to Settings, go to Cellular, and select Personal Hotspot. Toggle it on, and you're ready to connect devices. For Android, go to Settings, Network, and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Wi-Fi hotspot and turn it on. Now let's set a data limit. This prevents the hotspot from using too much of your data plan. For iPhone, there's no built-in option to set a strict limit, but you can enable low data mode to restrict background data usage while tethering. On Android, you can set an actual limit. Under data usage in your settings, find mobile data usage and set a data warning and limit. Your phone will notify you or cut off data usage when you hit the set amount. Bonus tip. You can also manually track data usage on both devices, and it's a good idea to connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible to save your mobile data. Plus, reduce video streaming quality while using the hotspot to save even more. And that's it. You're all set to share your mobile data safely without going over your limit. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.